Hello everyone, this is LasithKArt here in my next painting video, and today I'll be painting this lovely beach scene in Tangle, Sri Lanka. And I hope you will enjoy it, so sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Okay, so first of all I'll add the sky using cerulean blue for the corners of the sky, and then working my way down towards the horizon line using acrylic white, getting lighter and lighter towards the horizon line. Then I begin adding some trees along the shoreline, some palm trees, some tropical Sri Lankan trees. And this is done using a mixture of dark green with yellowish highlights on top. Then I add tape for the horizon line to stop any paint from spreading over to the sky. And then I work my way towards the foreground using a progressive colours of cerulean blue to a turquoise greeny colour, and then finally a reddish brown colour as we get really close to the shore. This is to show depth in the water, and as you can see it's getting a lot shallower towards the foreground. And now, using a mixture of burnt umber, pearl red, cadmium yellow and a bit of acrylic white, I add the golden orangey brown sand to the foreground. Now I highlight this with a bit of acrylic white to make it stand out a bit more. And now I begin adding some distant rocks, some waves, foamy waves, and some foreground rocks. And then finally, to show the true colour of the sand, I highlight the beach sand using a mixture of cadmium yellow, a bit of pearl red and titanium white in oil paints. And then I highlight the sea foam using titanium white, and then we're done. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you all really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is Calm Waters of Tangle Bay. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my Instagram and Google Plus at LasithKArt for more content. I hope to see some of you guys in my future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.